Good morning. New from the mail today, the Moss Goddess. There we go. This is going to a coworker of mine. This is the Moss Goddess. You can find it in my TikTok shop, and you can find it on my Etsy shop. And we have Country Godzilla. Country Godzilla. This came in today. Brand new if you want to check it out. It's going to go to another coworker of mine. Has glitchy visions on the back. The Country Godzilla. Make it yours today. It has the CHMRCO logo. And it has glitchy visions on the back. So, these are brand new today, fresh out of the box. Fresh from the mail. Country Godzilla. And the Moss Goddess.